CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih jongka Sarkar Jela uba Lahkmen rembui hakasngi palai jongka apuri terik ubnai jemang arhaja apuar ulong baunra Ahmad Ïakynduh jongka kunhun ki Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih jongka ri kaban salong Gandhi Nagar jongka Jela Gujarat hakashiterik bat arterik ubnai jeliu arhajar apuar na kabenta banyak tersani kumnu ban penbet penrenti hakabayadai bat kajing pentrai kami ka samagra shiksha abhiyan SSA hakari India baro kawai hakajing yakran bat kila perthai kubor uba Lahkmen uloong ba kajing sokhya jong halor kania kaman kalong nakadaw bakinonghikai school SSA kilami syasurok nakapor syakapor hakabayadai bat kajing peslam jong sarkar ban pelat ya ketulam Shushu ulai thuru baun sa Pynsngew yakni kamat Menteri jong Ketenat Pulih Putih ke Sarkar Pedeng udar Mendra Padhan uba jukular na kapor syakapor banwad ikilat kilenti kenang banweng yakni ke Jingeh jong Nonghikai School SSA.
Honorable Union Minister of Education have replied that we will try to find ways and means. I think that is the, if I could remember correctly, that is the word he is using. So we from the state government, we are posting with the central government to see that how to ease this problem once for all. But as I said, it's not a very easy. It is very tough. That's why the union minister also have replied. If I remember correctly, is that we will try to see how this matter could be resolved. Inside the reason at all, but the thing is that we have raised, and I will continue to raise in any forum. And I hope that on the 1st and 2nd of June, there is a conference of education minister in Gandhi Nagar in Gujarat. So we will have, I'll try to talk with with other education minister how to see that this issue of SSA could be streamlined. I think this is the problem faced by all the states of the country, but the problem is more in the state of Meghalaya, because as you know that there are, I don't want to elaborate much because you know what is the problem.